In 2010, someone paid 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. 10,000 Bitcoin. Today, that same amount would be worth hundreds of millions of dollars. So, what is this thing that went from basically worthless to life-changing money in just over a decade? By the end of this video, you're going to actually understand what Bitcoin is, not just the buzzword, the real thing. No confusing terms, no boring lecture, just the plain truth. Let's get into it. Let's clear up the biggest confusion first. Bitcoin isn't a company. There's no CEO, no office, nobody who can call a meeting and change how it works overnight. And even though we call it a coin, you're not holding a physical coin. When you own Bitcoin, you really own an entry on a giant shared list, a record saying this amount belongs to this person. So what is it? Bitcoin is digital money that isn't controlled by any bank, government, or company. It was created by someone using the name Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, and to this day, nobody knows who that person really is. The whole point was simple: create money that runs on math and code instead of trust in a bank. Here's the simplest way to picture it. Imagine a notebook that tracks every Bitcoin transaction ever made. Now imagine that instead of one bank locking that notebook away, thousands of computers around the world each keep an identical copy. Every time someone sends Bitcoin, those computers check it, agree it's valid, and add it to their copy all at once. That shared notebook is called the blockchain. It's why Bitcoin doesn't need a bank in the middle. No single person can secretly change the numbers, because thousands of copies would instantly show something's wrong. There's one more key detail. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin. Ever. That number is locked into the code. Compare that to regular money where governments can print more anytime. That limit is a big reason people call Bitcoin digital gold. This is the question people get stuck on most. If Bitcoin isn't backed by gold or a government, why is it worth anything? Honestly, same reason a dollar bill is worth anything. A dollar isn't backed by gold anymore either. It has value because people agree it does, and enough people accept it. Bitcoin works the same way, just without a government behind it. Its value comes from trust in the system, limited supply, fast global transfers, and no single person in control. The price still moves around a lot, but at the core, its value comes down to one thing: enough people around the world have agreed that it has value. So what do people actually use it for? Some people use it to send money internationally fast without waiting days for a bank transfer. Some use it as a way to protect their savings in countries where their local currency loses value quickly. And some simply hold on to it long term, the same way someone might hold on to gold. What you won't get from this channel is someone telling you Bitcoin is guaranteed to make you rich or telling you when to buy or sell. That's not what we do here. Our only job is helping you actually understand what you're looking at so you can make informed decisions for yourself. Let's bring it together. Bitcoin is digital money not controlled by a bank or government. It runs on the blockchain, a shared record kept by thousands of computers, so no one can secretly change it. There will only ever be 21 million of them, and its value comes from trust, the same way regular money's value does. That's Bitcoin, explained simply. If that finally made Bitcoin click for you, hit subscribe. This channel is all about breaking down crypto without the hype and without the jargon. And I want to know, drop a comment and tell me, what's the next crypto term you want explained just like this? In the next video, we're going step by step through exactly how to buy your very first cryptocurrency safely. So if you've been wondering where to even start, that one's for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.